the NRM Lira City supporters. The background of this petition stems as way back in the month of February on the 12th, 2025, when a group of party supporters amounting in thousands of numbers convened at this very venue to present their petition to His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, who is the chairman of the National Resistance Movement. This petition was presented on the 5th of March 2025 to the office of the President. It was received and a copy was delivered on the same date to the office of the Secretary General of the National Resistance Movement. The heading of the petition which was presented was on the escalating radical grave misconduct by the presidential advisor, Mr. Francis P. Okello-Pio, alias Dan Mabor, and Mr. Etwop Geoffrey, NRM Treasurer for Lira City, Lira District. Dear Commissioner, tonight, as a matter of follow-up, this is a portion of the same team that were here in the month of February. Today, you are meeting them here. They have a presentation to the chairperson, National Resistance Movement, Lira City. They have a petition on the following persons: Francis P. Okello-Pio, alias Dan Mabor, Mr. Geoffrey Etwop, Mrs. Sarah Awora Ngweri, Mr. Juke Joel, Mr. Daniel Okello, Mr. Oliet Moses, Mr. Yaya Salim, Ms. Akelo Lydia, and Mr. Alol Stephen from the National Resistance Movement Party. In the interest of time, I'll request not to go into the details of the petition. The introduction and the point of law that these members stand on is on the abuse of Article 9, Section 2, subsection G. Then Article 9, Section 2, subsection H.
You get your chair, come and sit.
Briefly on Mr. Okello-Pio, alias Dan Mabor, and Geoffrey Etwop, the NRM Treasurer for Lira District, the two openly made campaign against the incumbent flag bearer and the party leader for Lira City in support of the UPC Member of Parliament stemming from Oyam South constituency in the name of Honorable Amoy Betty. And they went further to the campaign His Excellency, the Fountain of Honor, in favor of the UPC party president, Honorable Jimmy James Akena. Madam Commissioner, Madam Awor Sarah Ngweri, in the month of November last year, on the 20th, paraded non-members, non-cadres of the party, donned them on the party attires, and held a press briefing and made a statement that she has been endorsed and she is now the party flag bearer for Lira City, contravening the NRM party constitution, party policy, party procedures. We have the current member of Lira City and the flag bearer holder in the name of Honorable Dr. Jane Ruth Acheng, who is the area member of parliament. And by then, the roadmaps of the party had not yet been released. So, all this undermines the integrity and uttering false information that is detrimental to our party. Honorable Sarah Warangweri has on a number of occasions made utterance that promotes the existence and the policy of UPC as a party in Lira City against the ideologies of the NRM party. We have a petition on Daniel Okelo Alan, who is the Speaker of Lira City West. On a number of occasions, the Honorable has campaigned for UPC. Recently, he was distributing the t-shirts, the red t-shirts for UPC. He was in Barapua City West distributing and supervising the distribution of the hose which were delivered and being distributed to the people of Barapua, the voters of Barapua. This compromises and undermines the integrity of the party. Akelo Lydia, a councillor of City West Division, recently was in charge, and she is the chief mobilizer for Honorable member Amongi, member of Oyam South, who has come to the city, Lira City, and she's trying to operate a road rehabilitation in Lira City, connecting to a cell called Nyomorem, which is part of the city. Juke Joel, Odongo Sam, and Alol Stephen are chairpersons from Lira Sub-County, Adeko Kuok Sub-County, and Pirawena ward respectively. They were involved in forgery. Recently, they uttered false documents from claiming to be from Electoral Commission of NRM. They were registering voters with the intention of driving, stealing, and spoiling the process of free and fair election, which we are about to conduct starting from tomorrow. They were arrested and arraigned in CPS of Ojuina Division. Chairperson Oliet alias Lela Yaya Salim are the chairpersons of Fomangeta Sub-County and the vice chairperson of Youth League of Lira City, respectively. Oyet and Yaya have been on several occasions organizing venues for meeting of campaigns against the official candidate for NRM in Lira City. Ms. Oliet has organized such meetings in Ngeta and Iwal City East Division to undermine the NRM party constitution. Madam Commissioner and the chairperson, Article 8, Section 5E is very clear. For avoidance of doubt, it says that the membership shall cease if a member is found in breach of the code and in particular campaign for a candidate sponsored by another political organization or party or offers material support to a candidate sponsored by another political organization or party or campaigns against the official candidate of the NRM. And this is what is happening with them. Madam Commissioner and the Chairperson, the conduct of the above members is a glaring affront to your authorities. I request you not to fold your arms while they continue to abuse and rape the NRM Constitution under your watchful eyes. Article 8, Section 5 of Article 8 dictates that they can be dismissed from the party after a fair hearing. The purpose of this letter is therefore to request you to exercise your NRM constitutional mandate to call them to appear before your relevant disciplinary committee to show cause why they should not be dismissed from the party with disgrace. I wish to thank you for your usual cooperation and do believe that your intervention will go a long way to ensure that there is law and order in the party in Lira City. Long live NRM party, long live His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, Chairperson of the National Ruling Party, Aluta Kontunwa. Thank you for God and my country. Of the form that they were distributing. In the same vein, may I now take the honor and the privilege to hand over to you, first and foremost, the main petition, which has sent the precedent of our preceding petition in Lira City to see that we rectify and clean our house. I have the honor. May I therefore, also in the same vein, present to you, today is the 5th of May, what a coincidental occurrence on the dates. The main petition, we submitted it on the 5th to His Excellency, on the 5th of March, and today, Madam Commissioner, we have the honor on the 5th of May to present to you another petition. Thank you.
NRM woye.
Oye.
That's woye.
Oye.
Petitioners of this great party for the love of party. Woye.
Oye.
Winning party. Woye.
Oye.
We shall not give up. Woye.
Oye. Asante sana. Ongeza tena. Thank you.
NRM chairman. Woye.
Oye.
Thank you.
This will be delivered to the person you petitioned, that's the chairman of the city, and further guidance and actions shall be taken thereafter. I thank you so much. I have received on behalf of the chairman and on behalf of the NRM party. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I want to say this. This petition that you have handed over, you people brought this petition in the same venue. It was on 5th of what? It was on 5th of March. Today I have arrived here. The same petition is brought in my presence as commissioner on the same date, that is the 5th of May. I want you people to know that things don't happen for nothing, they happen for reason. The reason why God has brought me here today on 5th of this month to come and receive this petition from you, by receiving this petition directly from you, I am delivering this petition to the secretariat immediately. And where the petition reaches secretariat, just know that that is the topmost. And these challenges are so big that we are going to sit and get solution to this issue immediately.
Thank you.
When you look all over the country, the truth is, NRM party under the leadership of His Excellency President Yoweri Museveni has done a lot of things. I came to Lira 5 years ago, but right now, when I was entering Lira, I almost got lost. I want to thank you people for cooperating with NRM that has brought all these developments that is imagining here. Okay? All this development that is happening Oye! Oye! Winning party, oye! Oye! We shall win!
Win! Win! Ah!
We used to win them.
They will
Thank you for watching Lango News Channel. Please subscribe for more updates.